The creator of these contents you see earned about $2,674 in the last month by making these contents, and they earned this by making these water slide videos you see. In this video, I will explain the logic of how to create these contents and show you by creating a sample video. First, we open ChatGPT to get our prompt. I paste my master prompt, which I specially prepared for this concept, into the message box and perform the customization process. You can automatically fill in the variables within the prompt according to your own wishes yourself or with the help of an AI tool. You can find this special prompt I prepared for you in the Master Prompts room of our Telegram group at the link in the description. Because this content is fast consumption, there will be one image and one image to video conversion prompt available in my prompt. After our prompt is generated, we copy the first generated image prompt and go to the OpenArt site. On the OpenArt site, I select the Create Image option from the side menu. First, I select the Nano Banana 2 model as the image generation model, and I paste our copied prompt into the prompt writing section below it. Then, finally, I select the 9:16 vertical format from the output settings and the 1K option for resolution, and I click the Generate button. After my image is created, I check it, and if it is as I want, I save it and move on to the video conversion stage. At this stage, I select the Frame to Video option from the side menu in OpenArt. And first, I select VO3 as the video production model from the top section. Then, I drag and place the image I created into the Start Frame Image Upload section in the menu. I go to ChatGPT, copy the entirety of my prepared video prompt, return to OpenArt, and paste my copied video prompt into the prompt section, and I make its minor adjustments. Finally, from the video output settings, I turn on the video sound, set it as 9:16 vertical format, 720p resolution, and 6 seconds video duration, and I press my video creation button. At this stage, you can adjust the artificial intelligence models and your output results for yourself, depending on your budget or your desire to see different results. Of course, most importantly, considering YouTube's strict policies regarding these types of contents, take care to make original and effort-driven contents. Otherwise, do not forget that you may face the closure of your monetization feature. The final result of our produced video will look something like this. To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.